What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel if this isn't your first time visiting. So today we're going to be doing a unboxing, and we're going to be unboxing this daddy right here, Tamagotchi On. I don't know why my focus. And I've been waiting for this for a good little minute, but I just happened to went on Target website and it was released on Target website, but I was going to buy it from GameStop, but GameStop one doesn't release until next Thursday, so I went to Target and picked this daddy up. So let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, so now we have the box. It's hard for me to record because this box is so huge. Like, let's get right into the video though. So this is what it actually looks like. It's a Tamagotchi On, the next generation of interactive virtual pets, and they have all like the tamas down here all the way up, and this is the magic Tamagotchi On. They have a magic and they have the fairy. I'm thinking about going to get a fairy though. And then right here you just have the baby, so you have the egg and then you have the baby, child, stage, teenage, adult. They got some games you can eat, get pets, make friends, travel, shop. And on the side it's just, what will your my Tama look like? That doesn't make sense to me. I don't think they really thought that through. And then on the other side they have an app for it, so where you can go and interact and get married and things like that. So let's just unbox this daddy. So I want to keep the box, so I'm trying to do this as gentle as possible. This box is huge, no cap. Hey. The box is huge, but it's very light. It's crazy. So we have the instructions right here. Here's the instructions. I really don't need this, but if I do, then I will use this. I'm gonna keep that in there. And then we just have this thing here. I'm gonna keep that on there. Oh, look at this. I wanted me one so bad. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but it is a pretty big in size. I'm gonna go get the other Tamagotchi to compare it real quick. Okay, now that I'm back, here is all the Tamagotchis that I do have. So this is a new one. This is the Tamagotchi Friends. This is where the batteries, I believe. And the Tamagotchi Friend is actually way bigger than this one. Then I have the Tamagotchi from the 2019 release. I have these two. I have this one right here, which is the little baby ones. These baby ones are $20 at Target, and I paid $4 for this on sale at Target. But these are just my Tamagotchis that I do have, and I still haven't even started the generation on these ones. I just recently bought this one actually off of eBay for 20 bucks, and it's in neat condition actually. But let's get the back of this off so we can get this Tamagotchi up and going. Hopefully one of these will work. It will. And I can't say you have to be careful when it comes to getting these off, because the back of these, the screws, they will scrape easy. Alright, so this takes 2 AAA batteries. I think I had some at the house, but oh well, I bought some more. I don't know. Okay. I already turned it on. That's what I don't like. I wish I had on and off button. And this is the first Tamagotchi in color in North America. Okay, so as you can see, it has the date and the time. So let's see, it is August. And today is the 4th. The buttons are way smoother though. 701. We're gonna do 02 because my birthday. No. Okay. I don't know why I keep doing it. No. This is so annoying. Why does it do that? No. I'm trying to go on to the next one. Okay. Yay, look! This one is so pretty though. Like, purple is my favorite color. It says please wait. So we're gonna wait. Look at my little egg. I want to get me like a little keychain for it though. So we're gonna cut right here and waiting for it to hatch, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like, and then I'll update you guys when it does hatch. Okay, so I got a girl. I really didn't want a girl, but yeah, this is what she looks like, and we're going to end the video right here. Like, comment, and subscribe, and then I will update you guys on every stage that I go through with this thing. but I do work, so I don't know if it's gonna work very much. So like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.